Thank you, thank you. We all have clean water at home, and just think about it. Isn't it a luxury, by the way? So for all this to happen, the water distribution company needs to have a lot of information, all the details, every bit of information about everything in the network. So you can see here RGS utility network. It is a collection of information about all the different devices, pipes, and so on, which exist in the water distribution network. And it's not only a map, but it's also, it could be visualized not only on a map, but also in a schematical way, or analyzed, updated. The data could be collected daily and so on. So for example, here I am going to show you where this sub-branch of the network is just by simply clicking one single button. So let's move from this to something even more amazing. I am going to turn this into a real-time system. To do that, I have a geo-event-based service, which is getting the data from SCADA devices about water flow and pressure, and then it reacts to certain situations which may arise in our network. So here in our network, I have multiple meters which I am monitoring, and now I am following one single meter. So as you can see, this diagram shows water flow and water pressure. The ratio between these two it could actually potentially show us as a location of incident. So what just has happened, it's an incident, probably a water leak. As you can see, the water flow went up and the pressure went down. So the system automatically generated an incident location and also reported this to me through an email message. Now it starts to automatically look for a solution, and now as I was talking to you, it found it. So I may open my automatic actions plan. So this is a story map which was created automatically by the job processing service, which did several tracing operations against my network. And we can look at this now. Here is our incident location. Here is the valve which needs to be closed to isolate this location. And here we have four users of this network which are going to lose the connectivity. So maybe there is a possible loop through which we could feed water through another pipe. So it also found us a possible loop, and then it found a possible a valve which needs to be opened to basically get this water flowing from another side of this loop. And now, finally, we could isolate our incident just by closing two valves, and one single user is going to be left without water. Now I'm going back to my dashboard, and I can also simply click Apply Proposed Changes. So that is, I am basically changing the status of those valves. This valve is now opened. These two valves are closed. You can see it's by color. And my meters will start to respond that the flow is going down, the pressure is going down, there is no water leaking through that location. As you can see, it's a self-healing network. And thank you. I will enjoy my water, and back to you, Matt.